A lot of you have messaged me asking to show you how I created my talking avatar and the tools I have used. Well, this is exactly what I'm going to do. Talking avatars are a creative way to engage viewers using animated or AI-generated characters as narrators or hosts. Now, before we dive deep, here are the 3 reasons why you need a talking avatar. Number 1 is engagement. Talking avatars are visually appealing and can be quite entertaining. And number 2 is consistency. Talking avatars can be used to maintain a uniform look and style, more especially for creators who want to stay off camera. And number 3, they are cost effective. They can help you save on costs like makeup, lighting, and just other filming process. So here are the 3 simple steps to creating a talking avatar just like mine. So step number 1, you need to generate a talking character image. So the tool that we're going to use is design.com. I will leave the links to the tools I'll be using in the description below. Once you're on this dashboard, all you have to do is come to login if you already have an existing account, or come to start for free. So I will log in because I already have an account. So what we're going to do is we'll come to where it says a new project, and this tab will open up. So the first thing, you need to name your project. So name it talking avatar. And once we're done with the name, the next thing that we need to do is to choose the aspect ratio for our project. So it all depends with the type of project that you're working with. I'll select a 16:9 because I assume you also want to be using it for your YouTube project. From there, I'll click on apply. And once we are on this page, the next thing that we want to do is come to where it says text to image. From here, we need to come to where it says design genre. This is where we have to select the type of style that we want to be using as our character for our entire project. It can be a realistic character, an illustration, or 3D or anime, depending with what you want. So when you observe carefully, there are a lot of style that you can work with. So in our example, we're going to go with design a 3D. So I'll click on this one. And what I need to do is to paste in a description that tells design a type of character that I want and how I want it to be looking and the background that I prefer it to have. So if you don't have those specifics, you can simply go to ChatGPT and ask it to give you some prompt examples for generating a talking character. Just go to ChatGPT and tell it to say, give me prompts I will use to create my own talking character for my YouTube channel. You can add specifics like the height, the hairstyle, the skin tone, and the agement to get that perfect and detailed character. So click on generate. From there, we'll copy the first prompt and we'll come back to design and we'll paste it there. From there, we've already selected our aspect ratio. What we're going to do is click on generate. Okay, once you're done generating your images, you can go through them. If it has generated images that you don't like, you can ask it to regenerate again until you get those perfect image that you'll be using for your project. Not only that, if the style you're using is not giving you the type of images you're looking for, you can change the style, use a different one until you get that perfect character will be suitable for your videos. So I'll take a look at the images that it has generated for me. I think I really love this character. Number 1, the face is upright and it is facing directly to the camera. And the second one is also perfect. The eyes and the face is facing directly into the camera. This is just so amazing. Not only that, I had generated more images and these are some of the images that it had given me. I also like this one. It's just so perfect. And this is just so amazing. So if I want to save this image into my PC, all I have to do is click on this button that says download, and I will download it into my PC just like that. So once they are downloaded, this takes us to step number 2, which is upscaling our images. We could have upscaled them here, but we're using a free version, so it will not allow us to upscale the images from here. So to upscale our image completely for free, we're going to use iloveing.com. Once we are here, we'll click on select image and select the image that we want to upscale, and we'll click on open and we'll wait for it to load in a matter of seconds and our image will be upscaled. And once your image has been upscaled, click on this button that says upscale to download it into your PC. Once it finishes loading, your image will be downloaded into your PC. From here, this takes us to step number 3, which is animating the character. And to do that, we will go to D/ID, and this is the tool that we're going to use to animate our character. So once you are here, this is their home interface. You can scroll to the bottom. You'll find already pre-made avatars that you can start using for your project. We already have our own character and avatar, so just upload it to DID. So click on create avatar. The Express avatar is still in beta, so we're going to go for standard avatar. So we're going to select the avatar that we just upscaled, and we're going to upload it like that. Once the avatar is uploaded, we're going to select it, and we'll click on use this avatar as avatar video. Okay, so this is perfect. From here, what we're going to do is we will select the emotions of our avatar. Number one, we have natural. We've got happy, surprised. We also have serious. So I'll go for natural. I'll leave it just like that. Then from there, we can scroll down and select the movement. So we've got natural and lively. I'll also leave the movement to natural. From there, we'll come to this button which says script. And we've got two options with D/ID. So the first option is we can type or paste our script here. And from there, choose a character for our audio, or we can come to audio and we can record our own audio, or we can just upload the pre-recorded audio here. One thing you should keep in mind is that the audio must be only 15 MBs. So what I'll simply do is I'll upload an audio, just upload it here, and I'll wait for it to load. From there, I'll click on generate video. I'll give a name to my project, talking avatar, and I'll click on let's go. And I'll give it some time for it to generate the entire video for me. And if you have reached this far of the video, consider subscribing because more value awaits you. It is done generating our video. So what I'm going to do is I'll play the video for you to see how everything looks.
Welcome to Diary Influencer, where learning meets creativity. Here on Diary Influencer, we dive into amazing stories, cool educational videos, and even tips on how you can use AI to make awesome content yourself. Let's explore, learn, and have fun together.
Okay, this is just so amazing. Let me know how you think about this entire process in the comment section below. So you can use this for your YouTube channel, Instagram, TikTok Reels, or when you just create an online course or presentation and using it as an avatar. From here, if you want to learn how you can remove a watermark from your image using an AI tool, check out the video in the description. Let me see you there. God bless you.